Hey guys, here's Natasha from Feminine Space, and I just want to show you a little bit of Arlesheim. I'm here just visiting my husband because he's working in Arlesheim near Basel for his community service. It's something that every Swiss man has to do, and so he's here working at a psychiatric ward. So that's what's happening, and I just want to show you a little bit of what's around here because it's a very, very pretty town, and I can't wait to take you with me. Here are some really sweet houses and just a garden, a vegetable garden, a little one. And it's super cute. Really beautiful buildings here. So we are pretty much here. There's a beautiful goose in front of me, and then vineyards behind, a horse there, I'm not sure if you can see, and then this castle, and we're just going to get closer and closer from here. So we are here at the Ermitage. It is a French word, and that's the cave that I was talking about at the bottom of that hill. So rustic. It is a protected area and with lots of history. Not to bore you with history. Not everyone likes to. It's just so sweet. And that's the cave. What? Love it. Here's the other side. And I have lots of surprises on the other side for you. So let's keep going, and I'll reveal it to you in just a second. I really enjoy these crooked bridges. Hope you can hear the water all around us by now. Let's keep going. What do you think is on the right here? It's a pond number 1. There's some ducks on the other side. A creek over here. It's a really, really hot day, so I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot. And it's only about 10 a.m. Oh, listen to that. The cutest bridge in the world. I love everything here. And the practice where my husband is practicing right now, it's actually based on Rudolf Steiner's philosophy, so lots of holistic healing and things like that. So that's why this space is also really quite magical here. Are you ready for this? Pond number 2. It's incredible with lots of fish inside. Where's the fish? Let's go and find you some fish. Oh, there's one. Nice and fat. All the animals here are so fat. Hello. Oh, there's some coming to me. They must think I have food. Hello. Oh, fishies. They bring the most beautiful energy. Hey guys. Oh. Who else talks to animals? Do you? And of course on the other side is that beautiful pond 1. Let me get closer, because I want to be at the front of that bridge. Butterflies too. Everyone's visiting us today. Oh, just magic. magic everywhere. Hey ducks. Got some ducks as friends here too. Fishy school. That guy's washing himself a little bit. Taking his morning bath, I think. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh, taking baths. Alright, let's get to the... Oh, you see a lot of pollen also just hanging out on the surface of the water. Let's see when we get to the front if anyone will greet us. Lily pads. Hello fish, anyone gonna visit us today? This one. Oh, a dragonfly too. Gorgeous. Oh, no, it's a day for solitude. So we'll just stay on our own today, I guess. There's also a bird. Let me make sure that you can hear it. A bird calling us on the other side of the pond. So, this is the magic for today, and it's piping hot. And I'm just enjoying myself because I'm starting to realize that enjoyment and receiving is actually one of the key things to my work. If I do not tank up on what's important to me, what inspires me, what touches me, whatever teaches my soul, then my work will be just an empty output. So I'm giving myself as much time as I need to do what makes me happy, enjoying each moment, taking a lot of time off, and still doing my work. It's my newest philosophy and it seems to be working out well. I spent a lot of yesterday just doing origami. It was so much fun. I'm the most creative person and I can spend all day just creating, so it's really nice to have that output besides my work. So I'm gonna keep walking, and then from here I will definitely find a bench somewhere and just keep reading my book. I'm reading The Wild Creative right now, and it just says just that we're not in a linear world and we need to just stop pretending that our productivity, our work, our output will always be linear and getting pissed off or annoyed when it doesn't happen that way. And to value both the feminine energy in creativity, in withdrawing, in relaxation, and in enjoyment. Besides all the masculine, organized, directed output. So that's what I'm practicing today. Right now, right here. With you, with all the fish, with all our fish friends and duck friends who are taking their morning cleanse. They're dry cleaning themselves. The bees are working hard. Just having their breakfast too. Oh, so lovely. So nice to slow down and just be. I'm integrating that more into my everyday life, so it feels amazing to do it. Look at that blue. That's the sky. Got you guys. That's the reflection of the day today, and I cannot wait. So, I just love being in the forest and looking at their roots, how they grow. The magic pond next to me. Magic pond. That fish just jumped. That was massive. Look at those ripples. Wow. And onwards. Do you also enjoy the gurgling sound of a stream? Oh, look, there's some berries here. Amazing. Gurgling stream. That's pond number 3. We have arrived. Whew, I'm thoroughly sweaty. I'm ready to dive into my book and get some reading done. Then I'm gonna head home and do a little bit of work until it's time to go and chill out with my 2 favorite boys tonight. We're gonna go for some grill and also probably swim in the river. So that's my Saturday today. Happy to share it with you, and I hope you love the fish friends, duck friends, and ponds as much as I did. So I'm just gonna enjoy this space fully and get inspired by some of Tammy Lynn Kent's words. I'm heading home now from the Ermitage, and more than anything than reading just now, I really wanted to just sit and just to be and just to feel the space that I was in. So I did a little bit of sitting, and that fueled me more than anything. That gave me so much energy just to be and not to do. So I love doing that, and time to go home. Right now we are at the Basel Middle Bridge, and over here you can see the cathedral. Just on the other side there. And then as I keep walking, some beautiful buildings on the other side of the river. People sleep, swimming. Now we're in the middle of the Oldtown with this Harry Potter building that's red. It makes me very excited, with tourists around me and some really wonderful historical buildings. But I can't get enough of this. Oh, and that is gold. Not sure what it's made of, but it looks freaking gold to me. Basel, and I hope you like this tour. And now I'm gonna just go home.